Good evening everyone. Tayo ako na sa ating last and final game, the championship game. Okay. Okay. Good luck from both teams, especially to our Doma Escola International School, Honey Badgers. Let's go! Sige lang. Ako. Oh, pwede ako lang. Thank you. Ay, ito lang. First ball para sa GCCF. Oopsie. Let's go. Nice dig. Not over. Valdez on the service. Oopsie, inside. There. Tabla tayo. Outside. Let's go. I'm out. Gracel. Official score is 3-2. Back to the ball game. On the service area, jersey number 15. Oh! Pwede ka mo ba? Sige lang. Nice drop ball. Puro quick attack para kay Banal. Not over. Good. Points to Grastel. Block at the back row. Ooh. Inside. Points to Grasel. Nice dig. Nice there. Oh, not over. Let's go. Oopsie. Time out. Honey Badgers. Official scores 8-4. In favor of the GCCF. Back to the ball game. Nice dig by Kayla. Oh, nice shot there by Kaya. At the back row. Good dig by Kayla. Here we go. As nakuha. Ayan na. Nice dig by Kayla again. Papalo dito. Not over. Short. Let's go. Ball. Ayan na. Ooh. Nice to GCCF. Hey, nakabawi si Lynn. Down by 5. outside. Nice dig. Ooh. Quick attack there para sa GCCF. Cogs. Thank you. Not over. Lian on the service area. Violation. It's a net touch daw po. Sabi natin official, substitution number 8 coming in for Gracel. Outside, rather. Ooh. It's a check it out. Banal coming in. Sophia de los Reyes on the service. Oh, outside. Drop ball. Timeout, Honey Badgers. There we go, back to the ball game. (16-7) in favor pa rin sa GCCF. Nice dig by Kaya. Here comes Penguins. Oh! Check it out. Coming pang Kayla. It's 16. Oh, not over. Let's go, Badgers. Valdez on the service. Not over. Let's go, Honey Badgers. Nice dig. Uy, nayangat. Ah. Nice dig by Kayla. Oh, too short. Lumalaki na po ang kalamangan ng GCCF. Nice dig by Kaya. Here come Asistio. Nayangat. Uy. $29. Kaya was dig. Here we go. Kayla. Not over. Substitution number 11 coming in. Kayla inside, let's check it out. On the service area, jersey number 15. Kayla. Ooh. Nice dig by Kaya. Ooh. 22-10. Asisio inside. Nice shot there para kay Asisio. Portia. On the service area, Banal. Let's go, Ima. Oh! Not over. Nice dig by Kaya. There we go. Free ball para sa Gracel. Oh! It's a match point para sa Gracel. 24-11. Patapos ang laban. Nice dig. Portia tinawid. Number 11. Oy! Oy! Let's go! Nice dig by Kaya! Yeah! Good hustle! Para kay Kaya dun. Good pa daw, kaya pa. Let's go, Kaya. Kaya yan. Good hustle para kay Kaya. Ang pusong kampiyon. Kaya. There you go. Uy. Free ball. Kaya was there. Portia. Bibigay kay Lynn. Is in inside para kay Lern. 24-13. Timeout ang Gracel. Official score 24-13. Good hustle dito para sa DIS. Nakakumpog pa doon si Kaya. At ang sabi ni Kaya, kayang-kaya niya yan. Let's go. Here we go. Back to the ball game. Official score 24-13. Match point para sa Gracel. Tingnan natin kung mahahabol ng Honey Badgers ang laro sa first set. Di pwede magkamali ang DIS dito. On the service area, Portia Asistio. Here we go. Nakuha ng Gracel. Papalo rito. Oh! Inside. Winner of the first set ang team ng Gracel. And let's go for a bounce back para sa second set. Let's go, Honey Badgers. Tods, palit lang tayo saglit. Palit tayo. Thank you.
Nagtaka siya nung narinig niya yung boses mo. Nagtaka siya. Kilala ko yung boses.
Ay talaga? Thank you. Bakit ba ang boses ko? Sorry ah. May siya na, maingay minsan. Okay ba? Sige.
Live!
Ay, hello! Sayang, let's go. We're going back to our second set. Thank you.
Dati, present ka.
Tulog eh. Kaya lang kumiksi.
Thanks, bro.
Forever. Balik ka na. Ayan, balik ka na.
Hey. Hello po, let's go! Bounce back for second set. Bola natin. On the service area. Number 20. Sofia de los Reyes. Sofia. Let's go, Sofia. Uy, sayang. Points to Gracel. Nice dig. Oh, okay. Let's go. Let's go. Nice dig. Oopsie. Dig. Banal. Oy! First point para sa atin. Galing kay Banal. Ima.
Later.
Let's go. Valdez. On the service. Ayangat. Uy! Nalusutan.
Vamos!
Let's go! Fisha scores 4-1. Oopsie! Rotation error para sa DIS. Sabi po ng ating referee. Points to Gracel. 5-1. Nice dig. Nakayangat. At the back row. Ooh! Outside. Service area by Pingris. Nice dig. Valdez to Asisio. Sayang, not over. Points to Gracel. Nice dig by Kaya. At the back. Uy, nailusot ni Asisio. Not over. Let's go. Babasa yung tatlo. Kalamangan. Ima. Panalo on the service. Let's go, Ima. Good dig. Yes, para kay Ima. Down by 2. 6-4. Good serve. Oh, inside. According sa ating official. Nice dig. Oh. Oy! Miscommunication. Let's go. 8-4. Nice dig by Kaya. Valdez to Asisio. Nayangat. Uy. Points to Honey Badgers. 8-5. Forza on the service. Good serve by Forza. Ooh, inside. Vamos Badgers! Vamos Badgers! Nice thing. Let's go! Hey! Oh! It's okay. Bawi. Time out, Honey Badgers. Hadal, coach. G. Go! Back to the ball game. Official scores 10-5. 5-point lead para sa Gracel. Portia. Nice dig there. Ayun na. Nice dig by Kayla. Portia to Lynn. Oh! Let's go! Down by 4. Substitution, number 16 coming in for number 14. Lynn on the service. Let's go, Lynn. Oy! Nice drop ball by Kayla. Nakakuha nga lang ng Gracel doon. Ayun na! Laro over! Let's go! 10-7. Baba sa 3 ang lamang ng Gracel. Lynn. Nakuha ng Gracel. Ayun na. Oh! Pasok sa banga. Nakabawi ang Gracel doon. Let's go. Inangat. Portia. Bibigay sa kabila. Oy, nice block by Kayla. Good block there para kay Kayla. 11-8. On the service area, jersey number 20, Sophia. And a shoutout po to all the parents na kasama natin dito sa ating venue at nanonood ng ating live. Maraming salamat po. Let's go! Oy, nice dig by Portia. Kayla with a drop ball. Naiangat. Oy, sa kabilang side. Oh! Check. In. Points to Gracel. Nice dig by Kayla. Portia to Banal. Naiangat ng Gracel. Ayun na, papalo dito. Yun lang. So check it out. Time out. Honey Badgers. They should score 13-8. Back to the ball game. 13-8 in favor pa rin sa Gracel. Let's go, Honey Badgers. Nice dig by Kaya Valdez. Uy, nakayangat. Not over. Nice dig by Lynn. Valdez to Portia. Sorry, that's Banal. Drop ball. Nice dig. Portia to Kayla. Block. Ooh. magkasalubungan. Nagkabungguan na ata. If I'm not mistaken. Bautista and Kayla. $15 and 8. Let's go, Honey Badgers. Nayangat. Kaya. Banal. Oopsie. Not over. Oh, inside. Let's go. Time out. Honey Badgers.
5 sets? 5 sets?
Yes, finals. Ay, di ba 5 pag final jobs? Hindi, ano, semis, ano naman yun? Battle for 3, third. Bakit ito naman? Rep. Best of 3 po. Best of 3. Best of 3. Best of 3. Ano ba? Best of 3? Ibig sabihin, dalawa? 3 lang daw. Okay, tingnan natin. Back to the ball game. 17-8. Nice dig. Banal. Nayangat ni Lin. Track ball by Banal. Uy, good pa. Nice dig. Valdez. Nayangat ni Kayla. Pero nandito si Bautista. Let's go. 17 and 9. Lamang pa rin ang Gracel. Uy, naiangat pa. Naitawid. Lin. Valdez. Banal, naiangat ng Gracel. Ay na si Bautista. Grabe naman si Bautista. On the service area para sa Gracel. Now. Let's go.
Go, Joey!
Yari coming in. Oh.
Net!
It's a net touch.
Net touch! Go, Bob! Go,
Let's go,
Badgers!
Honey Badgers. Kayla Pringris on the service.
Yes!
Hi, Kayla. 19 and 11. Down by 8. Kayla Pingris on the service. Hey! Nayangat. Ay na si Bautista. Block! What a block!
Go, Badgers!
By Sophia. Hey! Vamos, Badgers! Let's go. Oh. Here we go. Bautista.
Yeah!
Not over. Vamos, Badgers! Let's go, Kayla. Good serve! Ooh! It's okay. Let's go, bawi. 20-13. Nice dig by Gadi. Ay na. Oh! Outside. Kaya coming in. Not over. Kaya pa yan. Let's go. Kaya. Tinangat ni Valdez. Nayangat sa kabila. Ay, napapalo dito. Outside. Substitution, Marquez coming in for Ina Banal. Let's go. Marquez on the service. Good serve. Bautista. Ooh! Nice try by Marquez. Warning tayo para sa Gracel. Let's go, Honey Badgers. Bautista on the service. Nice dig by Marquez. Ay na, Kayla. Ooh! It's a position error. It's a last one match point para sa Gracel. Is it a for the win na nga ba? Bautista, nayangat ni Portia. Valdez. Uy. Di pa tapos ang laban. Time out.
Time out.
Gracel.
Time out pa.
Ay, shoutout po. Hello. Good evening. Maraming salamat po. Happy viewing. And all the parents, we thank you. Let's go, kaya pa yan. One at a time. Let's go. Match point or a set point para sa Gracel Christian College Fellowship or Foundation. Portia on the service. Nayangat. Ayun na. Uy! Oh! Nice try. All right. There you have it. Congratulations and a nice game from both teams. Sa pagtatapos ng ating laban ngayong gabi. This is the final game para sa ating Invitational Manila Madness. What a good game from both teams. And a nice game para sa ating Honey Badgers. Congratulations, Gracel Christian College Foundation, for winning this game sa ating tournament at silang tinanghal na kampiyon. And a nice game para sa ating Honey Badgers. Alright, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa ating liga. Especially to all the parents from our school, the Domascola International School. And maraming pong salamat at ganoon na rin po sa lahat ng kalahok na sumali sa ating liga. Ayan, maraming pong salamat to all the schools. Ayan. Maraming pong salamat sa George Washington High School, Kalayaan National High School. And maraming salamat din sa Ateneo de Manila University, the Far Eastern University Diliman, and also ang ating kampiyon sa ating Badgers Invitational Manila Madness 2025, the Gracel Christian College Foundation. Okay, our final score 25-15 sa pagtatapos ng second set with a 2-0. Nakuha na po ng Gracel Christian College Foundation ang kanilang kampiyonato ngayon. At magsisimula na tayo sa ating awarding ceremony. Ano ba awarding? Yes. Ayan. Thank you. Emily, maraming salamat pala sa ating sponsor, the SMC Infrastructure Parex Pasig River Expressway Corporation. And nandito rin ang Primo, the Primo's Tapas Bar. Ayan. Siyempre, nandito rin ang the Upper Deck Sports Center. Maraming salamat po.
Again, thank you everyone for participating in the very first badminton.
Awarding tayo.